Listen to this video on large speakers or a subwoofer. Why would there be a deep booming engine noise inside the cabin of this brand new 2026 Chrysler Dodge Caravan? The pitch is very low at roughly 32 Hz or 32 cycles per second. When I start the van, the engine is nice and quiet. All I hear in the cabin is this. But after the engine warms up, if I come to a red light and put my foot on the brake and leave the transmission in drive, it can be very loud. Listen again and compare the two. When I stop at a red light, the ESS start-stop feature can automatically shut off the engine, but it functions only when the climate control is completely switched off. So usually the engine just keeps running whenever I stop at a red light. It is often very loud. But in addition, turning the air conditioning on or off tends to make the booming noise even worse. Listen to the difference in the noise level as I switch from drive with the air conditioning turned on to neutral with the air conditioning turned off. Next, listen to how the noise gets louder when I turn the air conditioning on, but it gets even louder when I turn the air conditioning off. Okay, the booming has not started yet. Turned it off, I got more of a booming. The idle dropped down. But normally, when I'm stopped at a red light, turning on the air conditioning usually increases the noise, whereas turning off the air conditioning reduces the noise, like this. Whenever I stop at a red light, the intensity of the engine noise inside the cabin increases by as much as 13 decibels. To the human ear, a 13 decibel increase is perceived as 2.5 times louder. And because the decibel scale is logarithmic, a 13 decibel increase means the sound waves are carrying 20 times more energy than normal. In summary, this brand new Caravan should not have deep booming engine noise in the cabin. No customer would be satisfied with such a noisy interior, and myself, I never had any such noise problem with the two brand new Caravans that I owned previously. The deep booming engine noise inside the cabin of this Caravan is objectively reproducible and measurable. It is not normal, and the van is clearly defective. Therefore, this should be handled as a warranty diagnosis and repair.